We'll guide you through how to check and view SD card storage space on a Samsung phone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Perhaps you've just gone and got an SD card and you put it in your device, and now you're wondering how much there is total space on it. Or alternatively, you may have had it in there for a bit of time and you've forgotten and you just want to go and check how much there is and even how much you've gone and used. We're going to guide you through this step by step, so make sure it's full guide and don't go and skip anything. So to go and get started, what you want to do is you want to go and swipe up. You can swipe across and go and find settings, or even search at the top and go and tap on it. This will open up and you want to go and scroll down and you want to go and find the option for device care. Here it is, and you want to go and tap on it. Wait for this to load. It will give you some different info about your device. We want to go down and you want to go and find storage though. And then what you need to do is you want to go and swipe across until you find SD card. You can go and see the total over here and also how much you've used and some other useful info. Leave a like if you found this useful.